I'm trying to get my composure here, folks. He was 72 years old. Our senior producer, Tom Danheiser, and executive producer, Lisa Lyon, and Jimmy Church have been working this story all night. I'm going to go to Tom in the LA studio.
George, I'm right here. It's a very sad night. I just got off the phone with George Knapp, and a press release was sent to all the media. It simply read, community announcement, longtime resident and radio show host Art Bell died today at 72 years old in his home in Pahrump, Nevada. It's truly a sad night. We've got such fond memories, and it's just something that's unbelievable, really.
You know, Art and I were not that close. We had our differences. But he was one of those instrumental in me being where I am right now.
But I know, even with your differences, that you guys always kept the audience in mind, and you still do. And so that was a common thread that you guys had together.
God, he just had his second little baby.
Yeah, I know.
Gosh. A little bit later on in the program, we'll get Jimmy Church on. Jimmy's been working the phones, and he's got some information. Apparently, the Nye County Sheriff's Department has made the announcement. One of the problems, and the reason I did not go with this 25 minutes ago, is because of the internet. You just don't know. But there's just too many other media in the Las Vegas area that are beginning to report this story now that I think it's important enough to go with this. Art would have been 73 years old in June. He was born on June 17th. Go ahead, Tom.
I am waiting for a call back from the spokesperson of the Nye County Sheriff's Department. So
why are they so secretive about this?
I don't know. I actually called 3 times, and each person, there were different people, and they said, we cannot confirm, we cannot deny, but we will send you over to our spokesperson. And, of course, I got voicemail.
Okay. Well, folks, we were going to have Friday the 13th open lines next hour. I'm going to open up the lines, and we'll just talk about the memory of Art. Those of you who heard some things, and we might get some clips or two that we might be able to play. This is breaking very fast tonight. He has had problems with COPD, his chronic pulmonary disease. He was a heavy smoker in his life, and he had some very difficult times breathing. He was hospitalized about a year or so ago because of this. And I don't know if that has played a factor in this or not. They are not reporting on the cause of death. But Charles, I want to bring you in. Did you know Art at all? Had you ever been on with him?
Yes, I was, George, and I know he preceded you on this program. He certainly, I've good thoughts, good memories of him, certainly.
Well, he's why I'm here, kid.
Well, that's never met him personally, but only heard good things about him, for sure.
So let's carry on this hour, Charles, and then I'll have some special open lines next hour as well. Jacob in Bristol, Tennessee. Tough act to follow here, Jacob, but go ahead.
Hey, guys. I'm so sorry to hear about Art Bell. He was a great guy. I've actually talked to him a few times on the radio, and he will definitely be missed. That just it broke my heart. It really did.
Such a young age too. It's
yeah.
See, it's 72 is the new 50 these days.
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah, it is, and I hate to hear that. It's just Charles. Oh,